Hi, I am Mrs. Conyan Talanya Magnaye Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conyan Talanya Magnaye Quezon the First. What will I say is birthday celebration of my mother year 2019, but I will say about year 2017 first, July 26, birthday celebration of my mother. So during July 26, birthday celebration of my mother tends to cook pancake. At the moment, Richelle Ang Gemetesis Junior Senior tends to as well cook pancake during year 2023. I not know what it means. And then, uh, lover collects ko. And then, during my mother year 2017 is cooking pancake. That is the birthday celebration of my mother. 48-year-old. And then, that pancake is being used to create toge. I like toge. Fresh lumpia. That is my favorite. Naon you. The ew. Akin lang baby ko. Ay naon di. I will talk. The person that is I not know that person, but my mother has accountability to that person is lingers on my right eye. So meaning to say that person is uses black magic as well. Nandidiri ako. I not want that person. Clingy. Harassment. And then, mm, about fresh lumpia. What's wrong? But they is bullying. They is bad person, pity. I will focus now on birthday celebration of my mother. So the birthday celebration of my mother, what? Excuse me, I'm the person that talks. I am the person that they tends to kill, and yet they not want me to talk because the truthfulness is what I say. I seek help from other country, not into this country because this country is so pervert. Philippine country pervert it is. Next, mm, myself, even though such that uh, slim body, 28 size, myself is 45 kilo to 53 kilo. I think 53 kilo. 53 kilo. 52 to 53 kilo. Timik ko. At this moment, myself is such this fat. I am 82, 81 kilo. Oh my God. Hmm? The right eye. Intensity 1 to 10. They use black magic and then such this. About fat. And then from in here, it is such this. Not you. I'm not fat. I'm 29-year-old. Oh my God, the stress is they putting. But the stress is in here. Heaviness, not in here, left eye. What else? I will talk about birthday celebration already. Birthday celebration. Why such that? Not know. Bullying it is. That is personal already. Damn it too. So what will I say is year 2017. Fresh lumpia is what my mother cooks during that moment. And then Alex Jr. ko, loving moment. July, that is July. Before birthday celebration of my mother. Such as July 1 or July 2, July 3, I don't know. Alex Jr. ko says, Ayek Pogi. That Ayek Pogi definition is uh, Ayek Igop pala yun. Ayek Igop. Pogi, civil engineer. Yeah, that is what is BE. What? Alex Jr. is brownish color. Hmm? Ayek Pogi, Ayek Ego. That is when to read backwards it is Pogi civil engineer and then yeah. That is what is being says of Alex Junior ko during fourth year high school. Civil engineer Alex Junior ko college degree. That is lambing of Alex Junior ko to myself. He is writing about it year 2011. inside of classroom during recess hour, and the use of wristwatch and then numbers and then letters. I just remember it at this moment of talking of myself. Why? During year 2021, 2019, 2018, I could not remember it. Only during year 2017, specifically day, month is what I uh, think of it or I remember about it. But when I talk such this, I remember. And then my memory when I naon you when I talk such this, my panaginip tends to return on myself of what I as well write previous day. Diba? Kasi no, such this memory. There is America, not SM Aura. Because the vibes is America, the ambience. It is, previous day it is on the Temiko. Na to talk about the person. Wait, I will just wait. Alice Junior is my lover. And then, um, I could feel the magic of the clown is such a is somehow showing on myself, shows to myself. Ano po? Married kami Alex ko. Not know why. Such as no water, then suddenly it will has water. And then, what else could they say? Year 2019 already? Oh, year 2018. Year 2018, my mother's celebration of birthday, 49-year-old. Oh, this is already new to her. Why I cite celebration of such as balloon and then catering, such that. What's wrong with that? Shame. Wow, natuto siyang, not the word natuto, but also doble cara, getting of what is mine. That is birthday celebration. When it comes to birthday celebration, there is nothing about negativity vibe should be. That is birthday celebration. They is killing me. Not want you. Kailan ko sa'yo. I am the person that they tends to be killed. And yet the right eye is a humor. assumer of such as that person is bad person. What else? Hmm. Birthday celebration. When my self-talks, the left ear is putting on a situation of accountability, even though it is a celebration that there is no other thinking process, but the only thinking is celebration of birthday. This person, my left ear is so pervert. Oh, bad person is bad person. And then, not bad person. My mother, 49-year-old, uh, such as leveling on birthday celebration. I not know why. Happy maganda. Huh? What's wrong? My suko. My mother celebration is happy happy. The such as catering. I like it. Let's see. And then Christmas as well. My mother is tends to it starts off with is year 2017. My mother 2015. My mother tends to celebrate Christmas. Ganda. Na you. Someone is bullying. There is person that tends to bully. But person. It is on the left eye and then being get of the right eye. What is being says is the uh, mother of criminal kabit number 2. Mahim Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri, Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. Na auntie. La, I am sexy before 34, 28, 36. Why such this? Myself tends to 40 plus, 40 size. That is why I need to. Oh my god. Oh, uh, the reason, oh, they say the right eye is saying the reason why myself is getting fat because of the criminal kabit number 2. But on my memory, based on my memory, on panaginip memory, there is the sky blue on fabric, on head, black magic of her. That is why myself is getting fat. putting such as air on it. No, noon din. Curious me. And then, criminal that is person it is not been sight could not sight the face because fabric is is on the head sky blue color. Ayun, that is why that is the color on the wildflower. I say it is somehow I sight on other specific day or doing or moment. That is the color of the fabric color of the that is the fabric color of the girl gender putting fabric on head. Weird. No. Ito. And then maybe the police is hard to look on it. Na no. To. Hmm. Grabe. Oh, I feel scared. 5 count days. Girl gender criminal on my life. Kabit number 2. Even Precious Crisindico. Why Precious Crisindico is not in there on a specific situation. Pulling my hair. Pulling my hair. Pulling my hair on on McKinley Hill restaurant. That is already the deadness of her. Damn it ko. Want to behave. On Alex Jr. ko, 7. The seventh is short height. 7 or 8. Na, criminal. Tawag to siya. They tends to look bullying it is. Or what I could feel the vibes when it comes to Alex Jr. ko. Envious. Envious about college degree. Grabe. Civil engineer Alex ko brown skin color. Rahasyophobia. On myself, this is what myself talking already. Talking. Of my 7 year black magic. I will na 7 year black magic happening on myself. Naon you. The right eye is getting feeling on my left eye. I not know where it is will be used. And then there is voice on my left ear. Myself is being pulled. I am pretty. I will talk What else could I talk? Wait. Hmm. Birthday celebration is what I am talking. Why such this? I not want to talk about the person near on my mother because there is casket as well. Two count. Two count of casket. I will talk now. My mother levels on event, occasion, and then at the age of 50-year-old, golden birthday. 50-year-old is golden birthday. Golden birthday, that is tradition here Philippines. If the person is 58-year-old, they tends to do golden birthday, color gold. On myself, I like peacock. Peacock is what I like. No, no, I like peacock. Peacock is really nice. I not know yet. Maybe at the moment I like mm, rainbow. Rainbow. I not know. I not know yet. I will think about it. I will write on my notebook. I not know yet. That is ideal. Temika. Okay. I not know. I not want to think about it. They tends to ruin me talking. Who is tends to ruin the person that is looking on the family. Seriousness, I not enjoy it my life. Jamalin Cantor Gonzalez lingers on my right eye. This bad person. Na want you. I am near on talking on about farm. They tends to they tends to talk on my right eye na naman. They talking on my right eye at the moment. Hala, may ambition on life. They tends to ruin. Mine is mine. Damn ko. I am not yet done on airline thinking. Initial thinking on the airline is sensor, eye sensor. That is my thinking process. Airline on na iya. Eye sensor when it comes onto passport. I want to think of such that innovation, uniqueness. It is inter-up of CHED, Department of the CHED. I am on studying during year 20, when is that? There is year 2017 or 2018. As well custom, I think of it year 2017. Not yet done. I mean ko, they inter-up. That is why I talk. No weird. No weird. I mean ko, what else? Wait. Oh, my mother's will. What else? Wait, I will talk. There is person who putting on fast mode. Mine is mine. What else could I say? The Hayek EGOP is on year 2017 about messenger hour, messenger time, when Alex Junior is offline and online on messenger, and then I cite it. That is the original. I am Connie Ann. And then, oops, what else? Alex ko, high school, gentle is hen. Oh, gentle. Oh, I not know, but my service is slapping my ear. Okay, nyon, sensor. There is such as standing equipment, and then we'll just put the iris on it or fingerprint so that they could indicate that is continuation of for continent govern, but it is on a form of airline. I am not yet done, but during year 2017 I talk about it. I am not yet done. Statistic, even the birth certificate I not show it yet. It is in here. Wait, I'll just get it. Myself is blinking. But this one, no. I noticed it is not. It is up to date. The what do you call that? Philippine Statistic Authority or Philippine Statistic Office Authority, or it is unique. I not know what to worry about it. But this one it is. Tada! Yellow paper. My motivation when I create this is the red hair girl during year 2020 about Audrey Conrad. Myself at the moment is nervous. I not know why, but myself is, and then as well, myself is being stopped to breathe. I not know why the reason. It is being create this doing this. When is that? January. Isang January. January 31, 2021. During January 21, myself is already thinking of isang understand? Kasi Filipina. I'm Filipina. Not similar, not similar, but is it what? Up to date or unique? I not know the word about it. When it comes into custom, correlation of accountancy and then business course, I not know yet because of myself is an accountancy course and then I am about to shift on accounting technology or business course. That is my taking process during year 2017 before myself leave of absence at school. And then I shift on business course and I think of accounting technology. At the moment, the portion that is being returned on myself is intensity 1 to 10, number 2 and number 3. Na, ano, ano siya, ano siya. If already morning and then night and outside, I will talk about it. 6 stroke 19 minutes in the morning yet. I'm showing it because myself is being killed. They tends to get over this mine. My about on writing is love feeling to Alex Junior ko. And then Alex Junior ko does not show himself to myself. I not know why. I need to talk. Talk lang ng talk. I'm not will into government. I am lover of Alex Junior ko, baby about. Maybe. And I want to think about them. Mine is mine. They is hurting me. I am a bride. To have a shit. During airlines. Airlines is my favorite eh. The, the interfere is the news about DepEd and then Ched during that specific moment. Myself is being interrupt because of I read the news and then uh, the thinking process on airlines is exercising the brain on myself. That is why I have this something such this line. It is not yet happening. What I put on the side is this is my favorite. Tada! Certificate of marriage is being put on certificate of birth. And then serial number is what I like. I not want barcode because barcode is eyesight on the certificate of birth. During year 2017, I am 22-year-old. Hey, Miko. Oh, my intensity, 29-year-old. Ayun, that is why I need to be consistent. Next na ako. Birthday celebration of my mother. want to talk about my mother. Birthday celebration of her, leveling, catering, and naman the camouflage, naman what else could they say? When I'm happy, 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 smiley, and then mine is mine. But I timid 'Anything to say already? Year 2019, July 26. Oh, there is more. Broccoli. The broccoli is being introduced to my mother on Facebook about broccoli, mushroom. I not eat mushroom, I avoid it. Oh, I am avoiding it because it is will puts me on sleep. I am cry. Not know why. No, even some gyuk. I wonder why Corina is eating that. I feel scared. No, myself is crying at the moment. Ko, lover next door. Myself is crying at the moment. Corina eat mushroom and some gyuk. I know to talk about it. No, to and then, may ate oh. Yun guys. It is a fast mode. My fast mode is year 2017 computation. Square root. I am practicing that. 12 is for 144. 6 to 5 is 25. 11 is 1 to 1. Something such that is my. I like of such that. Square root. That is exercising on myself. And then percentage. 150% is 50, 30% is ganun. And then if it is a 30%, what is my basis? 50% or 100%? Such that is me. So if it is 30%, is it 70%? It is 70 or 30. Something such that is myself. During the 2017, that is my thinking process. That is my self vibe, self ambience. I am accountancy student during the 2017. For what purpose it is? Exercising myself, fast mode about computation. That is why my computation already is left to right, not right to left. Ganun. Kung ay bumili. For what purpose it is? That is natural based on my learning. I tends to be such that already because of I am accountancy for 5 year already. 5 year and then my major subject is third count major subject yet. Financial accounting one during that moment, year 2017. And then I mostly use calculator. It is being enhanced something such that word. Does it puts me on craziness? No, it puts me on uh, happy happy. When I say happy happy, energetic, energetic, liveliness, activeness, focusedness, not focusedness, activeness only. Of such as I am on public location and then I tends to do of such as the doing of traffic enforcer such as you move in there, move, something such that. Liveliness, that is activeness. So it is such as myself is on socialization when it comes onto public surroundings. That is my self-advice during the 2017. Tinig ko. Only year 2017. Myself year 2018 putting on cryness. 365 day. Alex Jr. is on my right eye at the moment. Crying. I not know why. Mine is mine. Roderick Kid. There is as well to Roderick Kid. Is Roderick Kid my baby? I not know. Timid ko. I should not say that. Roderick Kid. But the right eye is talking about Roderick Kid about college degree. I not know. Timid ko, I will say about it on year 2021 moment because I not know if on my womb or surrogate process when it comes onto that course. Kaya nga, I not know. Should I say that course? I not know. Computer engineer. Timid ko, tawagan ko siya. Not want to say that. That dialecto. I feel shy at the moment and I want to talk with. I will just I will just drink water. When I am doing wait lang. When I am doing that square root, it has feelings. Yung, oh, the word tends to assume. What else? I feel dizzy at the moment. Nine subject already remaining on my accountancy. 9 subject and then after that internship and then board exam. I not want to think about other person. I have a lover. Timid to. Manayang Catholic. Catholic. Catholic is my madam. just at the moment relax tends to relax myself. It is fun, it is happy, fun, letter F, letter U, letter N, when myself thinks. That is why I want to have a blog. I not know. I need to, wait, I'm not good, Tika. What else could I say? During year 2017, me and Alex Junior ko only is what myself thinking. So there is no thinking process on other person. Year 2018, I already say it. Family relatives, Magnaye, and then Talanya, and then Alex Junior ko. I not think of sibling of Alex Junior ko year 2018. Year 2019, me and Alex Junior ko. And then, Ninoan Ninan, there is year 2019. Year 2018, I not hold phone eh. Shem Nohara. Shem Nohara, year 2018. That moment I hold the phone. She returned on myself. Is that return? She, on her doing of messaging me, it is I remember about the word messenger, messaging, not the word doing of such as messaging. Year 2018, that is. Wait, naon din. At the moment, they is targeting my left eye. There is memory about, I not want to say it. I want to behave. Oh, good. Nailan ka. Hmm. I'm na hit the ano ko. Na-relax to. I want to focus on my mother birthday celebration for 2019. After that, I will proceed now on August. Lover ko, Alex ko. Merit ka, Alex ko. The left ear of myself is such as putting me on such that situation. I not know why. Oh, that is my first encounter. I saw 3 level of cake of my mother, 50th year old. That is my first time. Myself is being returned. That is already my cake on 20th century. Oh, oh my god. Sorry. My head is aching. Aches. That is already my cake vibes. Not the cake vibes. Cake once. The cake style of my mother. I'm so cute. Yeah, mine is mine. Myself is mine, and then my bachelor degree is mine. And how can she? I will talk. I should write it. Just go. Because I will have a baby. I need of such that. I will put it in here. About family already to this. Cake of my mother. 50th vibes. 50th birthday. What do you call that? Cold. Cold cake. I will name it cold cake. Cold cake. That is what I like. The 2019. Ah, nagsama kaya. They tends to get that from me. Makabit ng Bluetooth na audio. Lingers on the right eye. Oh, maganda. Wait, I will just enjoy my being returned, the feeling. It is pampering and relaxation. 58 minutes and 21 seconds. I will think as well the airlines about. I will just wait for peacefulness. Peacefulness. I'm not sip sip. I think that I am here Philippine when I think of that. I'm on inside of the house, on rental house. Mine is mine. What is being get on the left eye? I not know. It has feeling in here. On myself, wrongdoing is lifting it because of the air. I not know why. I not go to that. That's something itchy. Not know what it means. Should I say that? Emika. It will be look of Korean. Inchi. Emika. Mine is mine. Okay. the quote cake about the right eye is thinking of that, of how to get something from me. I don't know why. Next is ano ko. Hindi ka gusto lang next ko. Kaya kita. Mang Tomas. Mang Tomas photo is lingers. Tends to be noticed. I don't know. I don't want to think about that. I don't want to think about them. Ay, nako. That is during year 2021, year 2022. Year 2022 it is. And I want to think about it. I have a boyfriend. Hindi. I'm not assuming. I not want to think about it. The something weird. And then I will just go outside outside 1 hour and 2 minutes and 58 seconds. So I'm already done on saying July 26, 2019. That is my memory at the moment. And then I will show my what's wrong with that? My drawing. Ambition, there is ambition. 1 hour and 3 minutes and 26 seconds.